Good morning. Welcome to Sri Krishna Stories. Destroyer Kaigeyi. His country is suffering from tears because of your disgusting intellect. Rajaguru. Simple story to explain. Vashishtar was shocked to see Sita and Raman wearing Marwari. He has become more and more obsessed. Is he not a prince? At that time, the Guru had the right to severely rebuke the royal family. In that way, he planned Kaigeyi. O disruptive handmaiden, this country is suffering from tears because of your disgusting intellect. You have brought a bad name not only to your home but also to your birth home. Do you know the word good behavior? Let everything go according to the gift you asked for. Accordingly, let only Raman go to the forest. Half wife and husband is the word that applies to Christians. In that sense, only Sita has half the right to rule this earth which belongs to Raman. Maybe if Sita Devi doesn't like this, we will go to the forest with her too. Understand that in this country, not even a fly or an ant can survive. If Raman leaves the forest, even the cows here will look at him with nostalgia. They will go with him. Understand that your son Bharadan and Shatrukhanan will not stay here either, because they are the sons of our Mahatma Dasarada. Children born to that good man will be good. They will also go with Rama. Only the trees are left here. Tie those trees and cry for yourself. Do not think that your son will rule this country. He has no choice but to drop it. Untie and throw away the woods that you have worn with your own hands. Shoot her expensive outfits. Give nice clothes. Let her leave this country with all adornment, she said. Sita Devi worshipped Vashista. Sage, I go to the jungle dressed as my husband. It would be not good if I only dress up when my husband is disguised as an ascetic, she said. Dasarada was very sad to hear this. He bowed his head in shame about sending the ignorant Ramana and Sita to the forest. All the Urma severely rebuked Dasarada. As citizen, the king of Dasarada, you have failed in justice, he said openly. King was shocked to hear this. The ordinary citizen of my country has insulted me. No sense in living anymore. At the same time, he has spoken justice. Tomorrow, this whole world is going to condemn me. By then, my life should be gone. Mabavi Kaikei. Sweet, listen to what I have said. I have not given you any other assurance than the gift of sending Rama to the forest. So buy back Sita's legacy. She does not worship any deity other than her husband. She has always given you respect. Leave her alone for that gratitude. Otherwise, you will not get good luck. All the hells in the world will surround you. He cursed. Kaikeyi did not move. I fainted when I saw my wife, who was not worried about anything, leaned to the floor. Ramafron explained the fainting to him. Father, dear Maharaja, there is no Dharmavan like themselves on this earth. I asked for a boon before leaving for the forest. Will you give? Said. The Sarada hugged his son. Hey Rama, will you come without? I will give you whatever you ask, he said. Father, my mother is very old. You have so much love for her. She has no equal in defending the truth. She has not said a word to you yet, even though you say you're sending me to the forest. Do not be angry with yourself. Do not fight with the right to be your wife. At the same time, she will not bear that grief if I leave her. So you have to talk. So you have to walk nuclear with her. You have to give her more respect. I need to protect her from dying from the grief of parting with me. My mother must be in this palace when I come from the forest. Don't let go to emulge and search, he said. Mother in law Kaushalya hugged daughter in law. She reprimanded him. My son lived in Raman palace. You two have lived happily ever after with him. With all this in the mind, he should act without considering his present condition, he said. Tears have come to Sita Devi. You have compared me to other women. She looked at the mother in law and asked sadly, Sita Devi, who lived to show that every woman should behave without losing her husband's mind, is a role model for many Sita today. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam.